Samsung is about to blow our minds. The upcoming July Unpacked event might just be the biggest launch in Samsung's history. We're talking foldables, watches, rings, XR headsets, and even a brand new Android-based One UI. Yeah, it's that serious. Whether you're Team Fold, Team Flip, or Team this event is going to have something for everyone, and some stuff no one saw coming. Let's kick things off with the one thing everyone will get their hands on eventually: One UI 8, Samsung's newest software update built on Android 16. That's right. They're skipping the Android 15 base One UI 7 for the foldables and going straight to the big leagues. Expect smoother animations, refreshed visuals, and of course, deeper Galaxy AI integration that's expected to rival even Google's latest AI features. Now for the real stars of the show, the foldables. We're expecting not one, not two, but three foldable phones: the Galaxy Z Fold 7, the Z Flip 7, and for the first time ever, a Z Flip 7 Fan Edition. Think of it like a budget-friendly intro to foldables, without sacrificing the cool factor. Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be a beast, lighter, slimmer, and possibly equipped with an upgraded under-display selfie camera. Oh, and rumor has it we're getting a redesigned dust-resistant hinge system with little brush-like protectors. It's like the phone equivalent of eyelash extensions, but, for durability. The Z Flip 7 isn't holding back either. Bigger cover screen, stronger hinge, and potentially Exynos chips. Don't panic. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Elite will still power the Fold 7, with Geekbench scores already showing promising numbers: 3020 to single-core, 9307 multi-core. That's laptop-level performance in your back pocket. And if foldables aren't enough, Samsung's tossing in some exciting accessories: the Galaxy Watch 8, with upgraded health tracking and more AI smarts, a possible Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, their answer to Apple's rugged watch line. And yes, the Galaxy Ring 2. It's small, sleek, and smarter than your last three relationships combined. Let's not forget the audio game. New Galaxy Buds might be in the pipeline, featuring improved ANC, spatial audio, and AI-powered call enhancements. Translation: no more "can you hear me now" during Zoom calls. But the wildest rumor? The Galaxy XR headset, developed with Google and Qualcomm. Samsung might be jumping into the extended reality arena. If true, it could be Samsung's boldest move since the original Note series. And that's just the July lineup. Samsung's also working on to more foldables for later this year. A tri-fold device, yes. A phone that folds twice, and a more affordable flip variant. According to reports, the old panels are already in production, with mass assembly happening across South Korea and Vietnam. That's how serious they are. And about that camera bump on the Z Fold 7, it's getting bigger, but for good reason. We're talking a potential 100-megapixel main sensor, a massive leap from the Fold 6's 50MP. You might not win National Geographic's photo contest, but your brunch picks, chef's kiss. So there you have it. Samsung's July Unpacked event is shaping up to be an absolute tech fest. From powerful foldables and sleek smartwatches to futuristic rings and headsets, Samsung's cooking up something for every kind of user. Whether you're a hardcore power user or just love shiny new gadgets,